Hello everyone. Today I am going to unbox the Xbox Series X. I pre-ordered this console about 2 months ago when the pre-orders opened for a very brief period of time, and then I received this console today on it's November 11 today, 2020. So this is the latest generation of Xbox. It has a 12 teraflop power, and it has the Zen 2 CPU cores in it, and the games run really well on it, 4K up to 60 Hz. So let's unbox this and see what is inside this box. So there are two plastic tabs over here. We need to cut them. Oh, there are two more on this side. Now I think it will open. Maybe I have put it upside down. Let's try it this way. So yeah, it says on the box that it can do 4K up to 120 FPS, and it has a 1 terabyte of SSD inside. So the games should load very quickly. The Xbox should run much faster as well. So here you can see it has been laid out very nicely. Just the foam padding all around, and here is the main unit. It says power your dreams, and here is a tab. I think we can pull it and it will open. And nothing else on this one. Let's pick it up. It should come out. So this is a retail unit, and here is the getting started guide in the box. It shows you the location of different ports and what they do and how you can set it up. There is apparently an app on the App Store and the Google Play, and here is a QR code. You can scan this to get the app. And then on the back side it shows you how to install the batteries in the controller and how to connect the controller with the console. And let's open the main console now. Again, there is a tape on top of this wrap. And here is the actual console. It was upside down, so this is now the right side up. I don't see any other cables in the box. Oh, there is another portion over here. We will open this one after we take a look at the Xbox itself. So here you can see the front side. You have the Blu-ray drive slot, eject button, Xbox emblem here, one USB port, and the connect button for the controllers. And these are the feet to put it down on the side. Here is the top side. You can see the top has all the holes in it, and this is the exhaust part for the fan inside. Top is the black plastic, and there is green inside this. On the back side, I think this is the another exhaust, and then here is the air intake, and then you can see the power HDMI out, storage expansion slot, network, Ethernet cable jack, and then two USB ports, and there is a Kensington lock port as well at the back. So this comes with 1 terabyte built-in SSD, and if you want to expand the storage, you need to buy a proprietary card in order to expand this storage further. You can also use a regular USB 3 hard drives in order to install the Xbox One games. But if you want to install the Series X games, they can either be installed on the internal drive or you need the expansion storage. Okay, let's take a look at the accessories that are included. So here is the accessories box. First is the power cable. Then we have the HDMI cable in the box. Here is the product regulatory guide. And I believe this is the controller for the Xbox. Let's open the controller and take a look at it. So there is a controller and there are two batteries as well in this box. So yeah, controller looks very nice. The size is exactly same as Xbox One controller. Feels a bit lighter to me, probably because there are no batteries inside yet. It has nice textures on the buttons and on the sides of the controller as well. Inside here you can put the two batteries that are included. And if you look at the front, it looks pretty much similar to the original to the Xbox One controller, only it has now 3 buttons instead of, I think there were 2 buttons only. And then this one is to power the console on. The D-pad has a different shape now. It's nice and clicky. Joysticks feel the same to me. It doesn't feel too different from the Xbox One controller to me. So there is nothing else in the box, just some empty space at the bottom. And my first impression of the box is it's not too big, I would say. It looked humongous when you look at the YouTube videos and pictures of this thing. But I think if you want to put it in your console, it can easily fit in your entertainment center. If you put it horizontally, it can easily fit. I think it's about maybe 5 inches wide, so it should be easy to fit there. If you have more space, you can even put it upright. And this bottom piece doesn't come off, so yeah, if you put it sideways, then you would have to just live with it like this. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more.